Yes guys, this is my XJ6 2010. New tires, two new tires. Back and front, two new tires. New sprocket kit. New clutch cable. Channel. Alarm. And XPR exhaust. It's giving a good sound. And just service now, yeah, everything okay. Air filter, oil filter changed, brake pads, everything good, yeah. Just how many miles? 6,576. And this is the sound of the machine. It can work as well with the cap. I prefer without, but you can see that the sound is and that's it. Have the original exhaust as well, yeah. This is my bike. Top box as well. Everything okay. Cheers. Bye bye.